बीचेस हो या माउंटेन्स, सनसेट और सनराइज हमेशा ही स्पेशल होते हैं. बट हैव यू एवर विटनेस्ड अ सनराइज व्हेन यू आर लिटरली फ्लोटिंग अबव द क्लाउड्स? तो अगर आज आप ऐसे ही कुछ बादलों पे उड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं, तो चलते हैं फिर. It's a well-known fact that Munnar is something that can be called a pure magic. Winding roads through the rolling tea gardens, mist slowly enveloping the green hills, silver oaks dancing in the wind, and the fresh smell of cardamom in the sprawling spice gardens. These are some of the cloud-9 moments from Munnar, the breathtakingly beautiful hill station of Kerala. But in सबके साथ साथ Munnar can also offer some divine views जहाँ पे हम literally बादलों के ऊपर हो सकते हैं. Our today's destination, Kolukumalai, is situated around 35 kilometers from Munnar and lies at 7,000 plus feet above sea level. Kolukumalai is also famous for being the highest tea plantation in the world and produces one of the finest teas in India with a distinct flavor of the mountain's freshness. Situated at Kerala-Tamil Nadu border, this small village is in the Theni district. So technically it's a part of Tamil Nadu and not Kerala. But a few steps here and there can actually make you move between the states. So although Kolukumalai is in Tamil Nadu, the easiest way to get here is through Munnar. The journey to the top of the peak starts from the sleepy resort town of Suryanelli. From here one needs to hire a jeep and then begins the 9 kilometers of crazy off-roading. एक चीज पहले ही बता दूं कि this 1-hour jeep ride is not for the weak-hearted. क्योंकि पत्थरों के ऊपर उछलते कूदते हुए आपकी बॉडी का एक एक पुर्जा हिल जाएगा. But the only thing that can keep you going is the stunning view. If you are into trekking and not in a hurry to reach the top, then you can choose to hike up instead of the back-breaking jeep ride. This 3 hours long trek takes you through the heart of the plantations and offers a great experience to absorb the scenic brilliance of the Nilgiris. Camping in Kolukumalai is the perfect way to experience the serenity in the lap of nature. And situated at an altitude of 6,500 plus feet overlooking the tea estates of Kolukumalai, Camp Jaguar Hideout is an excellent hideout for nature lovers. This high altitude campsite set in the backdrop of the tea estates offers a mind-blowing panorama of the Western Ghats, rolling tea plantations and a clouds-filled valley. और इतनी थ्रिलिंग जीप राइड के बाद दिस कैंप इज द परफेक्ट प्लेस टू रिलैक्स एंड अनवाइंड. You can choose a spot with your favorite book, or like us, you can cook a meal at the world's highest tea plantation. Watching the day end with such enchanting vibes is an experience beyond words. A typical one-night package here includes tented accommodation, campfire, dinner, breakfast, and of course unlimited Munnar tea. और इसके साथ साथ a host who knows how to set the aura just right for such a place. Charles is an excellent singer and guitarist, and once he gets going, the night gets going. Mornings at the camp start real early, which means as early as 4 a.m. because that's what it takes to witness something beyond majestic. The campsite is at a stone's throw away from the sunrise viewpoint and it's an easy 20-minute trek to the Kolukumalai peak. But be prepared to feel miserable, especially if you're not a morning person. Peak पे पहुंचने का best time है before sunrise. That's when you will see a crimson glow line at the horizon which elaborates itself with each second until finally the sun makes the grand appearance. Bit by bit, ray by ray, giving the best sunrise view ever. And the excitement doesn't stop with the sunrise क्योंकि इसके बाद बारी है बादलों की performance की. Moving with the flow of the wind made it seem like watching a Broadway show, full of drama, colors and showmanship. Anyone who has ever experienced this sunrise will agree that the beauty of this sight can't be put into words. It's quite an experience to wake up at 4, wrestle the freezingly cold temperature and maneuver the steep climb. But all this trouble seems worth it when we see the splash of the most wonderful colors painting the skies as the clouds stage a divine performance. पिछले 10 सालों में मैंने ना जाने कितने सनराइज देखे हैं, कभी बीचेस से, कभी माउंटेन से और कभी ऊंची बिल्डिंग से. बट दिस वन वॉज डिफरेंट. द डांस ऑफ द क्लाउड्स, द मैजिकल कलर्स एंड द एवर चेंजिंग व्यूज मेड इट ट्रूली अ स्पेशल वन. आज के लिए बस इतना ही, बट फिर जल्दी मिलता हूं ऐसे ही कुछ जॉ ड्रॉपिंग नजारों के साथ. तब तक के लिए बी काइंड, बी थैंकफुल एंड बी हैप्पी.